Good day to you all. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I decided to harvest our spring onions. Here in our arbor, I have planted many spring onions in companion of peppers and tomatoes. Or I called it my salsa bed. Spring onions is one of the vegetables that we used a lot in cooking, salad, omelette, and soup. This is one of our favorite because we can use it not only for cooking but to deter pests as well in the garden. I remember when I was young, I used to cry a lot, not because I am being hurt, but because I am assigned to cut the spring onions to be used in my parents' soup shop. Look how much I got. This is a lot just only in this area, and I still have more in my little garden. Spring onion flowers. It's so beautiful. I don't want to cut it, but I have to in order for my spring onions to produce more. Now we'll check in this area. I have planted many spring onions as well in here to help the chair pest as well in my greens. But before that, I like to check around and see if there's some bugs or pests that's going around and eating my vegetables. After I harvest, it will reproduce again in about 3 weeks. So I have planted my spring onions almost everywhere in the garden, in the arbor, the small garden, and in the pathway as well. So this is the first batch of harvest of my spring onions, and most of them I am going to preserve it. After harvesting, I cooked some fish and I added my fresh spring onions to it. I decided to pick some Swiss chard as well to add into my fish. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate your support. This is Life, Home and Garden with Rica, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.